Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to show hidden channels on Discord. Have you ever noticed hidden channels on a Discord server and wondered if there's a way to see them? It's a common question, especially in large servers where some channels are restricted to certain roles. The important thing to understand is that Discord hides those channels for a reason, usually because you don't have the required permissions. Some people mention tools like Better Discord and plugins that claim to reveal hidden channels. While these plugins can sometimes show the names of restricted channels in the interface, they still won't let you access the messages or content inside them. In many cases, using modified clients or plugins can also go against Discord's terms of service. The fastest and safest approach is simply requesting access from a server moderator or admin if you believe you should be able to see a channel. That way, you stay within the platform rules and avoid any risk to your account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.